Magandang araw mga katonyo. Welcome back to Tonyo Positive. Be inspired, be encouraged, and stay positive. Ako si Tonyo and today's episode is very close to my heart. Today I want to share with you the reason why I became a teacher here in Chiang Mai, Thailand, and the story behind why I accepted the teaching job at the Vachiralai School. So at the moment, I am working as a foreign language teacher here at the Vachiralai School. And this is the story about faith, timing, and how God's gentle nudges can lead you to exact place you were meant to be. Sana makatulong itong bagay na at ng pag-asa at inspirasyon sa inyo. 11 years ago, nagpunta ako sa Chiang Mai to visit a friend. I was working that time in Bangkok. It was one of those simple mornings, walang masyadong plan, just driving around, enjoying the cool air and slow life of the city. My friend stopped the car in front of a school. Actually, it's a motorcycle. We were driving a motorcycle that specific morning in their district. Parang ordinaryong school lang siya, but when I step out and look at the building, I feel something peace in my heart. You know, the feeling of kampante. A quiet but strong feeling. I remember telling my friend one day, I want to work in this school. Now, if you're listening and you've ever had a sudden a strong feeling about something, you know what I mean? Parang may tumunog na bell inside your chest and your heart says, this is it. But life has its own plans and detours. I didn't immediately move to Chiang Mai that time. Bumalik ako sa buhay ko sa Bangkok because as I said, I was working in Bangkok. Nagtrabaho, naglakbay, nagkaroon ng iba't ibang experiences. By the way, I've been here in Thailand for almost 12 years na. Pero that seed, that simple declaration stayed with me. I would remember that morning more than once, not as an obsession,